Now the scanning acoustic microscopy. This kind of microscopy is used along with the scanning and the microscope, and this is also very complex kind and very expensive type of the microscopes. A device that uses focused sound to image an object. Applicable in the biological and medical research, and it was developed in 1974 for the first time to use the sound, the focused sound, and to see an object. The sound waves will be make it able to see the objects. Basic principle lying behind is the scanning acoustic microscopy basically consists of interpreting the action of a sound wave sent through a specimen. The sound wave of specific frequency travels through the specimen, and a portion of it is reflected back every time it hits an interference with the material, which make us visible the jet objects to see it clearly. Scanning acoustic microscopy, you can also call it as SAM, just like we have already studied it. It is really very interesting subject to see the objects which are not visible with the naked eyes. Similarly, the illustration of the same is very clear from the illustration given in the slides, which you can see in front of you. There are transducers and pulsar receivers which will be used for this because we are using the sound waves. A oscilloscope will also be there, and a water specimen and scan controller. And you can see it with the personal computer or the laptop will be also attached with such kind of microscopes. The image resolution is about 1 micrometer, and the both 2D and 3D images can become visible with such kind of microscope. Just as an example, we have given one of the slides here at 3D acoustic microscope image of US penny. The applications of scanning acoustic microscopy is used to study the living cells attached to another surface, and such as cancer cells, artery and plaque, and bacterial biofilms that foul the equipment.